Good morning. Today is Friday, June 14th, 2024. I am here at Port 32 Marina, and this is Arapauo. Before I show you the whole cleaning, I do want to make a few notes. When we get up to the bow, you're going to notice that the hull of the bow, the gel coat is a different color. It is discolored. And that often happens when the waterline of the ablative paint is at or below the water line of the water. That discolors it. We do have a solution to it. We have some hull cleaner that we can come out and spray, but I do want to use that at our discretion, because that hull cleaner is acidic, and if we use it way too much, it could damage your gel coat. So you're going to see that when I do the video and I show you the water line up there. There's another thing that I do want to show you. Both of your props at various degrees have bent tips. That definitely affects the performance of the props, so we'll try and show you as much as possible that we can when we get there. So let's go ahead and check out this whole cleaning. Thank you for choosing DS Guys.